Good afternoon. Today we are doing the unboxing and review of Radioddity's Commander Mini CB mobile radio CB-27. It is a 40-channel mobile radio. Go ahead and... Came DHL. I've taken it out of the bag a couple of days ago, but I haven't had a chance to look at this until I had a day off. So we have the user's manual in two languages, English and German. Pretty straightforward. Features are like any other CB radio, but they're all digital. I've read through this already. Explains things pretty clearly. And here is the unit. Comes with a DC power supply. As you can see, thanks to chip technology, these CB radios are no bigger than the size of my hand. Very small. Made solid. It's feels like it's a metal casing, not plastic. The faceplate here is plastic. The knobs are plastic. Oh, and the speaker looks like a little 2-inch speaker on the bottom. And you can see the antenna connection port. Okay, I was looking for what that's called. Yeah, that's a SO239 antenna jack, and it needs a PL259 antenna connector, as you can see. All right, next we have the hand mic, which, as you can see, is not much smaller than the actual CB unit itself. All right, let's go ahead and turn it on. I'll be right back.